Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox has crashed. Please perform a Windows clean boot. To perform a Windows clean boot, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type ms config and click on OK. And now you just need to select the services tab and check mark hide all Microsoft services. And now you just need to select disable all option. This will disable all third-party services, guys. And after that, you just need to select the startup tab, select open task manager. In here, you just need to disable everything listed over here. Just by right click on them and check disable it. Do it for each and everything. After doing it, just close off the task manager and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.